English philosopher Francis Bacon said, imagination was given to man to compensate him for what he is not, a sense of humor to console him for what he is, meaning man actually has never had all the powers and faculties and abilities that he thinks about and that he convinces him of having. Now, man has been given by the gods as well as by the universe entities a lot of powers and faculties and intellectual capabilities in one way or another that man can basically utilize and use with absolute character to not only fulfill his own obligations and duties and responsibilities but also pursue qualities and values and further knowledge and wisdom, and also help in the development of societies and cultures and civilizations, and also assist with his granted qualities and imaginative powers to basically elevate other people and help them alleviate their suffering, pain, conflict, etc. So man does not necessarily have all the powers that he thinks he has, and imagination has been given to him primarily to basically console and compensate for the powers that he does not have, and to basically become what he is not actually in reality, that is imaginative, creative, kind, understanding, compassionate, empathetic in different challenging circumstances and difficult situations that we just miserably fail to maintain. We give in to the negatives of not only perpetual ignorance, which is obviously connected with the human condition and mind itself, but we also submit to the evil and the lust of arrogance, aggression, incapability, inability, desperation, frustration, jealousy, lust, crises, and we suffer a great deal of crises and unnecessary trouble and rejection and betrayal for our ignorance as well as for our arrogance, aggression, etc. But if we can employ our imagination, which is a significant power and a transcendental faculty gifted to us by the gods and by the universe, then we can also become transcendental and immanent. We can transcend and surpass and bypass our emotional, mental, psychological torments and sufferings if we can become capable of imagination and of utilizing it efficiently in our practical character and in real life conditions and circumstances, and also it will help us develop and build relationships of meaning, authenticity, and significance, because imagination has always been very important, not only in the shaping, development, and consistent growth of the whole world, but also in the advancement of mankind as well as in the individual man's growth, development of character, morality, understanding. Imagination always plays a key role of some kind or another.